Howdy and welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to pot up some, well, if anybody knows, watched my channel before, they know I save all my containers of any kind and use them to pot up plants in. Today we're going to pot up some yellow crookneck squash in these containers. Let them grow out a little bit, then we'll put them out in the yard. So, let's get started. Now you can see I've already potted up, put soil in all of these containers, every one of them. So all I'm going to do is take these and pot them up like this right here. Let them grow out, put them inside the greenhouse, let them get used to the heat and all, and acclimated. And then they'll fill out these pots a little bit. Then I'll lay them down on the side and roll them out and take them out and put them in the ground. So I'm just going to show you how I pot them up, just like I would the pepper plants, really. So I'm going to take this pot right here, take this dabber or whatever you want to call it, stick, it's a paintbrush handle. I'm going to drill it, roll this out, put a hole in there. I'm going to take one of these, just going to roll it down in the hole. The same way I do tomato plants too. Now I don't believe squash will root from the stems as well as a tomato or anything will, if it does at all. But I always bury them anyway like this in a pot, and I pot them just like that. That's all it is to it. Now this will, like I said, it's not going to grow like a tomato will. It's not going to produce a lot of roots down in there. It might produce some, maybe, but not as well as a tomato would. So, but I do it this way because just since I grow them in bulk to start with, just like a tomatoes, it's easier to do them this way. Maybe it helps them get sturdier as they grow, as they strengthen up and grow thicker. But it's pretty easy. I also like doing it better like this than I would putting it directly in the ground. So this is kind of growing crooked, curved. That'll be fine. But we got a few more to do. So now I have just about got two or three more to do. I have them all done. This one's kind of late starting compared to the others. Now I got all those done. There's 10 of them here. You can see all 10 of them here. I can show you. I'll take these and I'll put them in the greenhouse for a little while, for a couple of weeks. Let them get used to the heat, and they'll fill out more and fill these little pots out. Then I'll just roll them out, lay them on the side and roll them out of these containers. They should have enough roots in there to hold this dirt, this soil good. Then I'll plant them in the ground or plant them in pots. So 10 of them here, so I'll get a good bit of yellow crookneck squash this year to make squash casserole with. So that's all there is to it. That's the way. And that's the way I do it. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share and subscribe. Give a comment below if you think it's a good idea to do it like this or not. But until next time, thanks for watching.